Hey everyone, Spectatus369. I'm gonna show you how to open up an Xbox 360 because I've done it multiple times. I'm gonna try and fix this one again. This is the one that I got the E74 on. Some tools you're gonna need is, well, this is just like a screwdriver thing that you put these little parts in. So you're gonna need a Torx 10, a Torx 8, and where'd it go? You need like a little flathead, very small flathead. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is take off our faceplate, and if you have a hard drive, it's on here. I just got the little thing from the arcade package, so take that off, take off your faceplate. Okay, now put it up. I'll take this, unless you have the opening tool, which you stick this in here. There's a little thing that you gotta push in, and it just pops up. And there's these little things on each side. Just poke in through the holes. You'll be able to see them, like, I don't know. See those holes that are marked, that are filled in? They're like in between there. You'll see them when you go to do it. Like you're pushing these things so they let go. And then, but on the top one of them's behind this foot. But if you do like I just did, you can maneuver around that and you don't have to. Alright, now flip it over. Do the same thing, just pop them out. So there you got these two pieces. Now you take it, you have to have it upside down for this part. So have it there upside down. Oh, also you're gonna need to void your warranty. So like if you see there, I got it just a little cut through it, but whatever. Alright. Now there's these little clips. Pop them off. Just like pull up so they don't close. And don't open it up any more than that. Now flip it around to the back. And you'll see there's these little gaps you gotta stick the flathead into, which will pop open. So just gotta do that. Like that. Just pops out. So yeah. Now you have the bottom of the case. Take your Torx 10 screwdriver, or whatever torch thing you're going to use. And there's going to be these 6 silver screws. This is the silver ones. No, only the silver ones. And these are the flat ones. So I guess before you do that, you can pop this thing out. Just take it and pull it right off. Because if you try taking off the top, it will get stuck and most likely break off. So just remove these. same thing. Once you get those screws out, just flip it over. Pull this off, and now you got the inside of your Xbox. The Torx 8 is if you want to go all the way through to the motherboard, which I don't need to do this because I've already done the X-clamps and it still didn't work, and I have a Whisper Max fan in there. But I still got E74 error, so I'm gonna try this Penny's thing, see if that works. But either way, if it doesn't work, I got the arcade, which I did the unboxing, so I've got those games, which are fine for me for now. But if I can do this, then I get all my hack games working again. That'll be pretty good. Alright, that's a video.